Hello everyone and welcome. Mercedes-Benz M271 oil cap leaking. You see the seal that goes around here? Well, I got a nice quick and easy fix for you because we have tried it and it works. That rubber seal there that you can see, okay, right, this rubber seal, that seal, you take a pick or a screwdriver like this and you just flip it around. You take it out, flip it upside down and put it back in again. That should fix the leak. So after a while it gets hard, this end gets hard and it's leaking past the oil cap thingy there and then goes down the spark plug and whatever else. So let me just quickly flip this around and show you guys. Thin screwdriver, and now it's starting to come out. As you do, take it out, flip it back upside down. So there you go. It's flipped around and good as new. So that other end that is closed on the engine, that end gets like hard and then the oil starts coming through. So you can literally just take a pick. Yeah, you literally just take it out very gentle. If you break it, you're going to have to buy another cap. But they do sell the seal separate. But my father-in-law actually did this. He has also the same cap. And I was like, mine was not leaking, but it looks like it might be seeping. Anyways, he just flipped the rubber around and it stopped the leak because his was leaking out of the valve cap. So yeah, if you have this kind of valve caps, comes on the Mercedes-Benz. I see it's on the 272 engine or so. It's on this engine. I don't know if it's on the diesel, but you just flip around the seal, folks, and you put it back on. Oh, and it even feels much tighter. Like it's sealing good now. Okay, so it's been now a while with after I did the whole seal turnaround story. So let's just have a look at how it looks afterwards. Okay, I've driven about 20 odd kilometers. So let's have a look. You'll get the first try with me. And oh my word, it works. It works, folks. Let's get a light on that. Okay. Yeah, now all that oil and stuff was there before, but the oil would be a little bit past the seal, and it's not past the seal at all. So my word, it actually works. Sorry that it's so gross. The oil has always been so gross. Gotta do 10,000 kilometer oil change, people. I'm going a little over. But yeah, so that does the fix. You take the seal and you turn it around. It takes a bit of a time. It's a little bit of a lip inside here, so you kind of got to put it in the lip and then press it around. But that does fix it. It does fix it for $3.99. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, have a look. See you guys in the next video.